Friends, in today's video, we present the top 7 things which you should do before your exams. Exam tips for students to become a topper. Friends, are you feeling stressed out about your upcoming exams? We know how tough it can be to prepare for exams. But don't worry, we are here to help. In this video, we are sharing with you the top 7 things which you should do before your exams to help you become a topper. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first step is take practice exams under timed conditions. This will help you to get used to the time constraints of the actual exam. And it will also help you to manage your time more effectively during the exam. Friends, the next step is take advantage of technology. There are many apps, websites and software programs available that can help you to study and prepare for your exams. For example, you can use flashcard apps to memorize information or can use a timer to manage your time more effectively, etc. Friends, the third tip is make a vision board. A vision board is a collage of images, quotes and affirmations that represent your goals and aspirations. Creating a vision board can help you to stay motivated and remind you of what you are working towards. Friends, the fourth tip is create a study schedule. Having a set schedule for your study sessions can help you to stay on track and make sure that you are covering all the necessary material. It's also helpful to include periodic breaks and fun activities in your schedule to keep yourself motivated. Friends, the next step is try spaced repetition. This is a technique that involves reviewing the material at intervals rather than cramming all at once. By spacing out your review sessions, you are more likely to remember the information for the long term. Friends, the next step is take care of your health. Friends, eating well, exercising and getting enough sleep are all important for staying energized and focused during your study sessions. So, make sure that you are taking care of your physical as well as mental well-being. Friends, the next step is try meditation or yoga. Taking a few minutes to relax and clear your mind can help you to focus better and can reduce stress. Meditation and yoga can also help you to stay calm and focused during the exam. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on the top 7 things which you should do before your exams. Exam tips for students to become a topper. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. And do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.